Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify card spending limits with Capital One detailed guide step by step clearly. To verify card spending limits with Capital One, start by logging into your Capital One online account. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one for access. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts section on the main dashboard. Select the credit card you want to check from the list of your accounts. Look for an option labeled Credit Limit or Available Credit. Click on this option to view your current spending limit. For a detailed view, you may also check your recent transactions and any remaining balance. If you prefer to use the Capital One mobile app, open the app on your device. Log in with your username and password to access your account. Tap on the credit card you wish to verify. Your spending limit should be displayed prominently on the card details page. To obtain the most accurate information, consider contacting Capital One customer service. You can reach them via the phone number on the back of your card or through the app. Be prepared to verify your identity during the call or chat. The representative can provide you with up-to-date information on your spending limits. If you plan to make a large purchase, ensure your spending limit accommodates it. Keep your account information secure and regularly review your limits to avoid surprises. Following these steps will help you easily verify your card spending limits with Capital One. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.